today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste on Google Docs. This is a fundamental skill that's essential for anyone using a word processor, whether it's for school, work, or personal projects. Let's dive right into it and have you copying and pasting text like a pro in no time. To start off, let's talk about how to copy text. You'll first want to open your Google Docs document and locate the text you wish to copy. Now you need to highlight this text. You can do this by clicking at the beginning of the text, holding down the mouse button, and dragging it to the end of the section you want to highlight. Alternatively, if you prefer using the keyboard, you can hold down the Shift key and then use the arrow keys to carefully select your text. Once you've got your desired text highlighted, it's time to make the copy. Simply right-click on the highlighted text and you'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, click on Copy. It's worth mentioning here that for those of you who find keyboard shortcuts more efficient, you can instead use the shortcut Control and C on a Windows computer, or Command and C if you're using a Mac. This will achieve the same result. Your text is now saved to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Next, we'll move on to pasting the copied text. First, place your cursor at the exact location in the document where you'd like your copied text to appear. You can do this by clicking with your mouse or using your arrow keys to navigate through the document. Once your cursor is in place, you have a couple of options. You can right-click at the cursor's location. This opens another convenient menu. From here, select the Paste option. If you're more inclined to use keyboard shortcuts, simply press Control and V on a Windows machine or Command and V on a Mac. Voila, your copied text should now appear right where you wanted it. And there you have it, a simple yet incredibly useful process of copying and pasting in Google Docs. As you get accustomed to these steps, you'll find that they can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort, allowing you to focus more on the content you're creating rather than the mechanics of doing so. Thanks for tuning in to learn about this essential skill. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on more valuable tutorials like this one. Happy document editing, and I'll see you in the next video.